Welcome back. Welcome to yet another Tech Day. It's a series in which I'm filming myself learning things that I need for my professional environment and for the improvement of me as an employee in the IT world, the IT sector. I'm trying to keep up with latest trends, and also I'm planning to do a primer on LLMs maybe in the foreseeable future. But for now, I want to continue working on the two things that I've been focusing in the last week or so. One of them is Linux, and the other one is machine learning. Let's start with Linux. Basically, how this works. Let me just show you my tablet again. Let me open it. By the way, look at this. In my free time, I'm using this pen up app to draw. It gives you an outline. Some other people are drawing things that are basically guiding you. It's really fun. It's relaxing. A lot more relaxing than playing Rocket League or Warzone and people flaming you all the time. That's not it. That's not it. This is it. So how this works, I'm filming maybe 2 or 3 1-hour long videos every day. Then I clip them together and I edit them together basically, and I get like a full day episode of what I was doing apart from my work. So today we will talk about something called the user space. A big picture on user space is that user space is the part of system memory where normal applications run. We have kernel space and we have user space. It's separate from kernel space. I think in the last episode I mentioned that the kernel space is where the operating system core lives. User space, we can run whatever apps we have running, like my Firefox, our Python, even a screen copy, which is the application I'm using to stream my tablet here. Why do we need this? Because we need a safe space where we are free to do what we want, and we need a control space where, we can actually change things. And if any user program could modify kernel space, it could steal passwords, kill other programs, or even crash the entire operating system. I will try to do this every day from now. Every day, 3 hours, edit down to maybe 2 hours or so, and then upload it. Sometimes I just skip it, and I feel sorry for myself, but I'll do it. So first thing, let's talk about the init systems. So init is short for initialize. Is the first user space process that starts by the Linux kernel. The job of init is to bring the system to life, to start services, to configure devices, mount file systems. It launches a login session, and it always runs with the PID of 1. Let me bring my terminal here. Where are you? Here. We run this command, and we actually now see that our system is using systemd as our init system. So it starts services, it configures devices, mounts file systems. So where can we find the symlink to init? If I run lsl sbin init, it points to lib/systemd. If I do now systemctl, I should see all of our active services and targets. here. So let me just go first over some things here. This command right here. This command is asking what program are we running as the process ID 1. With PS, we are showing information about running processes. Filtering on the ID, we are filtering for the very first user space process. And with this, we are only looking for the command name, no header, nothing else. With here, with the symbolic link, it's a shortcut to alias to another file or directory. It's like a pointer that says, if you open this, the source of this is actually in another place. Actually, go open this file instead. What else do we have? Yeah, we mentioned tchdy. I'll just write this here. That's the init system service manager that's used on most modern Linux distros. Again, it's responsible for starting all other services. It manages everything: time sync, network setup, system logins, all of the jazz. And systemctl is actually the command line tool that is used to interact with systemd. So uses systemctl. Wait, let me just see something. Is this? So it is transparent, but what if I made it even more transparent? Preferences, one dark, I will make it even more transparent colors. It is. Maybe like this. I can always move it to a darker background in order to, yeah, maybe increase it a bit more. All right, this is good. So I'm using systemctl to start, stop, or restart services, enable, disable services at the boot, check service status. For example, I can do, clear. I can do, no, I didn't want to do anything here. Sudo systemctl start. What do I have? Do I have nginx? No. Do I have ssh? No. Let me run systemctl. Do I have anything that I can stop without should break? Can I have Docker here? Yeah, let's see. I won't run this, but what I can do is I can say sudo systemctl stop Docker service. With this, I can stop Docker. I could also run it again with start. I can enable it on boot by putting here enable. I can also do status. Okay, maybe I can do status here. Status Docker service. It should be running. Okay, yeah. Docker service, Docker application container engine. It's loaded, it's enabled. So with this command, I got, let me just expand this a bit like this. I got back detailed information about the Docker service on our system. All right, so this is the name of the service. This is, what can I see more? Okay, again. This is where the unit file is located. It's right here. It's loaded and it's enabled. It means it runs automatically at boot. This means that the service is active and running since my computer was on, most probably. Yeah, since yesterday. Docker can be triggered by the Docker socket. I have somewhere, this is the ID. This is the main process ID of Docker. And dockerd inside, it means that this is the actual binary that's running, the Docker daemon. Docker has 19 sub-processes. It uses around 110 megabytes of memory. So these are some of the logs. So basically, it's running perfectly as it is. I could also... Now, what I could do is I could write my own systemd device service to make like custom programs to script run at boot, like on demand, or I don't know, automatically restart if they crash. So what I wanted to do is, because I run this this thing right here, which is my screen copy service. I run it every time I want to share the screen from my tablet, where I'm putting my notes. I was thinking of maybe creating a service that will run this automatically, and also it will run another command, devilspy, which removes here the... I had this top bar, so it removes the top bar. Because without this, if I only run screen copy, I will still have these maximize, minimize options here. I don't want these. I want this to look clean and sleek. So let's do this. This will be fun. This will be really fun. Where am I? Let's go to projects. Let's create... Do I have a Linux? No, this is Django. Low. No. Low Linux. Linux. All right. So what do we want to do? I want to create a service that when it starts, it should run screen copy to stream our tablet. It should launch devilspy to manipulate window decorations. And I don't know, it should be startable with running systemctl start tablet stream service, or enabled on boot, but I don't think it's a good idea to enable it by boot, because I also need to allow streaming on my tablet as well. So let's create a script that runs all commands. Touch tablet stream sh vim tablet stream sh bin bash well, let's wait for display manager to be ready. Wait for display manager to be ready by sleep 5. Screen copy devilspy 2. This manages my window rules. And I think that's it. Close it. Let's make it executable. Tablet stream. And now I should run it manually to confirm it works. So I will close it here. Wait. I closed it. I closed it here. Tablet stream. Why is it not happening? I put 5 seconds. Oh, here it is. Here it is. And you see, since I removed the top bar using devilspy, I have this section here, which I don't want to do. What I want to do is the following. I want to do is following. Okay, I'm gonna add this in the next episode. I want to make it like a fixed size. And I want to center it on this screen right here, on my left screen. But let's do this some other time. In the meantime, let me increase it manually. Let me increase it manually and let me center it. Yeah, because every time I do it manually, and sometimes it's not the same size as the last time. So this is something to remember. Now, let's wrap this under a systemd device. Let me open a new tab here. Let's make config systemd user vim tablet stream service. Okay, and what do we have here? Let me do unit description. This will be tablet streaming plus devil's pie. Setup after graphical session target. What else do we have? Service. So I need to so it's gonna be here. Tablet stream sh restart no. Environment is gonna be this one right here. Environment is gonna be also, I'm gonna explain all of these right now. I just want to like this, and then I have install wanted by default target. Oh, okay, this line of code right here. It waits for our desktop session to be ready. With this, we allow our graphical user interface apps to launch. With with this, we need to talk to GNOME via the bus session here. Let me just close this. Oops. Systemctl user daemon reload. With this, we reload our user services. Systemctl. I don't want to use enable, but I will do start tablet stream service. Will this work? I think this happens because I did it specifically. No, for the user. I don't want to do this for the user. And now if I run it, this should work. No, it's not working. User, let's do this again. User. No. Unit tablet stream service is not found. So my service must live where? ls config systemd user. Can I save this? Oh shit, I haven't saved it at all. Oh my fucking god. Clear. Vim touch tablet stream service. Vim tablet stream so fuck. Wait, maybe it's here. Yeah, it's here, it's here, it's here. Okay, I can remove it from here. Wait. And then I just do move tablet stream service to go config systemd user. It's here now. Okay. Systemctl user start tablet stream service. It works. Let me just close it. Let me just close it here. And now this should work. It is working. It opened this in another on another screen of mine, but it's working. Nice. Nice, I love this. So what I just need is the following. Oops. So I need it centered. And I need it on my main screen right here. And I need it to be bigger because by default it creates a really small screen. So let's do this. So what do we need to do? Let's first find my external monitor's geometry. I can clear this. So I can do X render. Where is he? So I have HDMI. So this is my dude. This is my laptop screen right here, and this is my external monitor. So let's save this. I'm gonna use this for positioning. Next thing next. Let's see. CD. Do I have config? Devil's Pie. I do have. I have only tablet window and force primary. So cat force primary and tablet. I think this one is removing the navbar. So this is not the script that I want. So what I need to do, this is the script that I'm looking at. I need to exclude screen copy from my force primary rule here, and I need to create a new rule that moves this screen specifically to my HDMI 1 screen, centers it, and resizes it. Yeah, let's do this. And it undecorates it, but this is already done. So clear Vim force primary. Okay. Let's do here local. This is a local variable. Get window name. I want to move screen copy, so I'm gonna do 1, 2. If win it's like this, screen copy and win it's like this. SM, what's the name of this guy? SMX706B, SMXX706B. Then let me move this all here. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I need another end here, and I think all of this is all right apart from this. All right. Now let's test this. Right, actually, let me do touch screen copy window glue. I'm gonna do this later, but so let me do devil's pie to debug. All right. So this is my OBS that I'm streaming with, recording with. Brave. This is a book I'm following. This is my Calibre. What else do I have? Wait. Let me close this. Tablet stream. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, shit! It moved it to this screen again. Wait. Devil's Pie 2. All right, it's here. And then if I run tablet stream service, let's see what happens here. Untitled window. Why is this guy named an untitled window? So screen copy is not being detected at all. So what is screen copy calling this window? Ah, so it's calling it by my tablet name. Ah, wait. I know. I need to edit screen copy window. This I need to edit. Vim, screen copy window. Okay, so let's update this. I have work to do soon, so hopefully I can do this in the next 10 minutes. Get window name smx706b. Then let's do a couple of things here. Local width. Let's do this quickly. Like local height 800. I'm gonna update this most probably. I just want to create a first version that works. Local screen X is 0. Local screen Y is 0. Local screen width is 2560. Local screen height is 14. I think it's like this. Let me do the position. Screen X. So it's screen width minus the width of my screen divided by 2. Local plus Y, screen Y plus screen height minus height. I made a mistake. I should have written here width. Set window geometry, position X, position Y, width, height. I don't think to undecorate it. I think it's already undecorated. Let me just print it. Moved smx706b to pos X pos Y, and let's call it, let's run this again. Devil spy to debug. There's something wrong. Clear vim, ls vim screen copy. No, is it this one? Where's the error? What have I done? Where's the error here? 14. Ah, of course. Moving window caliber, and I also now need my tablet. But why is my tablet not here? Ah, because I haven't even run it. Screen copy. And now if I run devil spy, it stayed here and it centered it. I just need to increase it. Do I have time? Yeah, I have like 5 minutes. All right. ls vim screen copy window. Instead of 1280, maybe I can make it a bit bigger. Let's make it 188. Let's do this like this. Vim clear cat. No, not cat. ls vim tablet window. No, it's not this one. I can kill this now. I can remove undecorate window, but like it's screen copy Lua. Yeah, this is the one. Vim screen copy Lua. What? I'm already editing it. No, abort, because I have it here. Let's put 1920 and let's put here 18. And now screen copy, and now devil spy. The problem is, I love this. But the problem is I have these lines here, which I would love to fill. So I need to make it a bit taller. All right, I have 3 minutes. Can I do this in 3 minutes? Let me do it like this. Wait. Okay. I just want to see why is this here? F8. Ah. Right, let's do it like this. Screen, copy, list. Oh wait. List displays. I have it here. And then ADB shall be and size. Just a second, I think there's something wrong here. Because what is the size of my displays? So this is the resolution of it. Oh, I need to go. The second part will be on. Don't worry. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome back. I actually made a break and now I'm continuing. Let me just open a terminal window. Here we have it. So if I'm not mistaken, I need to go to config. It should be devil spy here somewhere. And then vim force primary. No, it's not this one. Ah, it's this one. This needs to be updated. So my screen fits right in the sweet spot. Tablet, where's the... Okay, I'm gonna show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I should see what? I have a problem here. I have this tablet here. I have this top bar, which I don't want to have. And also it's not centered. And also it's not moved to my other screen. Why? Why? Can I stop this? Stop. Tablet service. So can I run it again? Nothing happens. So it seems like we have a couple of issues here. Let's fix all of them. So I have a problem. Seems when I restart my computer, when I run a clean when I run a fresh boot, my Devil's Pie is now running. Because my service must be starting too early. Now, what the problem could be is that the graphical session isn't ready yet. So let's go back. Let's go to systemd, user, tablet stream service, vim, tablet stream service. So let's see, requires graphical session target. What else do I need? Wanted by graphical session target. Save. Everything else I think remains the same. System, user, daemon reload, tablet stream service. I still run on my other screen, which is bad, which is not what I want. So let me go to here, projects, Linux, tablet stream, sleep 5, screen copy, Devil's Pie. Vim, tablet stream, echo, date. So tablet stream started. Wait, stream log text. Let's have a log available just to make sure everything works as it should. I'm gonna put sleep here to 3, and maybe I'll put devil's pie first. Maybe that's smarter. Devil's pie to 3. What? Stream log text. So both. Wait, what's happening? Both the error and output will be displayed. Same thing with screen copy, stream log text. Same thing here. And I can remove this from here, but maybe I can add another sleep. Let's start this again. So 1, 2, 3, it should run devil's pie. 1, 2, 3, it should run screen copy as well. It doesn't run neither of those. Do I have a log here? I don't. Come on. User invalid option. 1, 2, 3. Devil's pie. 1, 2, 3. Screen copy. But it ran neither of those. Why? Why? Why is this not working? Wait, cat config config cat config not user. No, not user. What do I have here? Where do I need to go? I forgot. Tools systemd and now user. Ah, fuck. User and now tablet stream service. I think it's okay. Description requires graphical user wanted by graphical session target. Oh, I have a typo here. I couldn't see it. Vim tablet stream service. No. Vim. I want to edit this file right here. So this typo that we did prevented the environment variable from being set, which means our graphical user interface app, like screen copy and devil's pie, may not connect to the session. Another thing that I can do. I know what I did. Vim tablet stream. The name of the command is devil's pies 2 like this. And screen copy. I think it should be fine now. System ctl user daemon reload. System ctl user restart tablet stream service. One, 2, 3. It should run devil's pie. 1, 2, 3. It should run my tablet. It still didn't. Run my tablet. Okay. Have we got any logs? No. streamlog text. I could actually replace all of this, but streamlog text file here as well. Streamlog text. Ah, here we have streamlog. Devil's Pie cannot open display. So we have an error at least. Now what I did, if this is the correct fix to the problem, I plugged out the cable that connects my tablet to the computer. I plugged it in again, and if this works, no, it still doesn't work. No, I'm here, Vim. Tablet stream. No, I don't want this one. Wait. Systemd, user, I'm here. I need to change this file, tablet stream. So instead of the graphical session target, I think here I should do default target. I know there's some ability to do search and replace. I can't. I don't have the mental capacity to do default target. Default target. Let's do all of this again. Okay, daemon. Let's also enable this at runtime. User enable created symlink, all right? And then let's do restart. ls get streamlog tablet stream started. Cannot open display. But what if I run screen copy directly? Screen copy like this. So this works. This works. It's on my other screen here, but it works. So if I run this again, let me look at the list of environments, environment variables. Print env grep e display dbus session bus address. So what Devil Pie needs is to connect to the exact Devil Pie needs to connect to the exact what's the name? Display. So if I go here, let me clear this and let me open tablet stream service. Let me copy, wait, all right, I'm gonna copy this and I want to paste it here instead of all of this. And here instead of 0, I'm gonna leave the 1. Okay, reload, restart. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, up. So there's a positive thing, and the positive thing is that it did move my terminal back to my main screen, but it never ran. Let me see. It never ran the tablet. Where is the tablet? Can I do this again? It will move it now to, yeah, it moved it to my main screen, and 1, 1, 2, 3. It should also turn the tablet on, but I don't see it here. Screen copy user local bin screen copy. All right, let's do this here, and let's put the full path. Vim tablet stream. Instead of this, I'm gonna put screen copy here. And let's do this again. Daemon reload, restart tablet stream service. Come on, 1, 2, 3. It should move. The devil's pie should move my terminal on my main screen, but it still doesn't run screen copy. It says that the tablet stream started, but I don't see it at all. Devil's Pie will work. Yeah, Devil's Pie works. It moved my terminal here, but okay, let me plug out and plug in my screen again. Let me just try again. Still nothing. Let me plug out, plug in, allow. 1, 2, 3. Move my terminal back there. 1, 2, 3. Open my stupid tablet. It doesn't. Oh. Tablet stream started. Yeah, it opened it now. But this is not what I want. This is not what I want. Oh, stream log. No, it just says tablet stream started. Fuck, I knew it was that. I knew it shouldn't run in the background. I knew it. Now, the next thing to do is to increase my screen so these black stripes are not visible anymore. So maybe like this, and we need to center it as well. Okay. I'm gonna close this and move this here. So what actually happened there, and why it worked when I remove the ampersand? Because I'm telling, when it was here, I'm telling screen copy to run in the background. But what happens is, because we are running a user service, we have a main process, and the main process is started by exec start. And because we have an ampersand, it finishes immediately, because systemd thinks the service is done. So what happens? Screen copy runs as a background job, and our shell script exits, and then we say, oh, service is done, and it starts cleaning up, which kills screen copy. I don't need screen copy to run in the background, so I need to run it in the foreground because I'm streaming. Let's auto resize it better. So if I close this and if I do stream log text, it works. Everything is great. So our external monitor is 2560 by 1440. So we need to avoid black bars, and we need to maximize the window. So we need to set a specific width height which is close to this, and we need to maintain the aspect ratio. So let's do this again. Screen copy. Now close this. All right. Close this. All right. And now adb shell VM size. So this is the default one. Why is this here? So this is my physical size. Because with this one, we are gonna scale it proportionally. And now, no, I don't need this anymore, brother. Let me move it here. Let me actually close it. Cat, no, Vim tablet stream sh. I can remove this. I can remove this line completely. Let me try if I remember if Vim is only pressing D twice to remove the whole line. 1, 2. Yeah, it is. All right. 1, 2. And here I can remove everything after Devil Spy. And here I can remove everything after screen copy. But I'm gonna run screen copy with some additional flags. So let's call it here. And let's set the width and the height. And let's set the title to tablet stream. Close this. And what happens if I run it now? Screen copy. Oh, it's still run. I don't think I need to change anything here. So what I'm gonna do, wait. I don't need any of these changes here. I assume this will be okay. So wait, let me do D3. 3D. No. I wanted to remove the next 3 words, but I didn't know how to do this. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. And let me pick the devil spy rule, which is here. And it's so stupid. What can I do here? So the aspect ratio, where is it? So this must be like what? 16 by 10. So 16 by 10. I don't think this is 16 by 10. Wait. Calculator. 1920 divided by 1080. Yeah, it's not 16 by 10. So what I can do here is I can set the width to be 2304 and the height to be 1440. Save it. Where are my commands? For daemon, no, wait. User daemon reload. That's what I wanted. And then the same thing only with stream service. It should move everything to the right. It should now open my tablet right here. Too big. Definitely too big. Yeah, definitely too big. All right. But we are at least on the right track. This is what I love. Let's do this again. Screen copy window. I just need to reduce the resolution here. Maybe let's do 1920 by 1200. Let's save it again. Let's restart the demons. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? Why do I have these lines on the top now? Also, why does it feel like it's lower quality than it's supposed to? Is it? Is it lower quality? No, it's not. It just feels like it's lower quality. I need to increase this a bit. Actually, no, I think it's okay. Maybe a bit. Let's do this again. So maybe instead of 1920, maybe 2048 by 1280. Come on. 123. 123. Show it. Oh, this is actually good. This is actually quite good. But I have the. Why do I have these spaces up top? Here and here. Wait. I need to see from the tablet what's my resolution. How to see my resolution from the tablet itself. Come on, let's do this now. So it's ADB shell VM size. But this is the physical size. I want to see on the tablet itself. Display. It doesn't show me the resolution here. Hang yourself from the... Okay, all right. Flirting with AI bots. Paying with your smartphone. Wearing a smartwatch 24/7. I'm already doing this. Vaping. Drinking energy drinks and protein drinks. Cyberpunk is already here. Yeah, this is some cyberpunk light. Get stalked online by the government. Get stalked online by corporations. Have your toaster become part of a botnet. That's about it. Yeah, I agree. I agree that we get only the bad part. Wait. Is cyberpunk here? What is cyberpunk actually? Cyberpunk is a subgenre of science fiction set in a dystopian future. It's characterized by focus on combination of low life and high tech. Low life is a pejorative term for a person who is of low social status due to their low moral character. Examples of people typically referred to as low life include bullies, criminals, drug dealers, freeloaders, bum drunkards, gangsters, sex offenders, pimps, aggressive panhandlers, scammers, and thieves. What about hookers and OnlyFans models? All right, doesn't matter. So basically, we are already partially here. Yeah, now Neuromancer is one of the first book. So it's like high tech things like this. The neon lights, the mass of people, the capitalization of everything basically. Also, we see here branding and trademarking being everywhere. Is there another image here? Yeah. Are both of these? No, the first one is Tokyo, and the second one is this New York. Yeah, man, look at this branding. I think visually it already looks. Is this French? No idea. Ah, it's Times Square. Why is there a French flag there? Yeah, Shibuya, Tokyo, Times Square, Mexico, and China. Yeah, China is also branded all the way, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So this is what cyberpunk is. It features a range of futuristic technological and scientific achievements, including artificial intelligence and cyberware. Can I increase the size of this a bit more? Which are juxtaposed with societal collapse, dystopia, or decay. Actually, this is extremely relatable and close to what we have right now. Move to Detroit. Now, South Korea, I need Samsung owning half the services I use. Masturbate with your cyber penis. Alright. How many of these have you done? Oh shit. I mean, this is just... Is there a music to this? No. I mean... What kind of drugs? You can cut off your arm and add like a blade, gun, and flamethrower to your prosthetic. I had a lumbar puncture somewhat recently. What's a lumbar puncture? It's performing your lower back in the lumbar region during a lumbar puncture needle. Ah! Oh! Fuck! Oh god, no. No, I don't want to watch this. Ah! I don't want to watch this. For a week after a lumbar puncture, your cerebrospinal fluids are leaking out of a hole in your meninges, causing low intracranial pressure. This causes your brain to sag inside your skull when you sit upright, giving you intense headaches, so you have to lie flat for about a week. The only other treatment is large amount of caffeine. I took a lot of sick days the month before, so I needed to get back to work, but couldn't sit at a desk, so this was my setup. Oculus Quest, regular laptop, keyboard and mouse, lap desks for mousepad and keyboard stability, and running a virtual desktop. Was able to get my software engineering work done for the week like this. So this is an image. So Anon was just lying. He had everything connected. He was running virtual desktop here. He had a wireless mouse. So he's basically guy out of the memes who is connected to... Wait. Guy connected to the net. Cyberpunk. I first saw your pic and thought it was a gooning setup, but after reading your post, I can only say you are based. That's awesome. Not to be a commie fan or anything, but that's kind of dystopic canon. Props to you having the fortitude, but you probably should have done nothing but recover. I agree. I actually had a medical intervention when I was younger. A really complex one. All I could do was lie for a month. Okay. What else? Let's do another thread here. Buttplug.io. Open source dildo software written in Rust. What even is Buttplug.io? I'm interested in more cyberpunk. Yeah, so yeah, Philip K. Dick. Michael Moorcock. I haven't heard about this guy. Wait. What is cyberpunk? What has this guy written? The Elric Saga. No, I don't. I don't know what this is. What's cyberpunk? What is cyberpunk? All right. I see many different opinions on what is and isn't considered to be cyberpunk. Most of the time, the debate are about what categories and specific things fall under, but just in a general sense, what is cyberpunk and what makes something like a book or movie cyberpunk? High-tech, software hacking, IT, cybernetics, implants, robotics. Wait. These are some of the cyberpunk standards. How far away are we from these from these points? For example, having viable and functional implants. Cyberpunk is a subgenre of science fiction and dystopian futuristic setting that tend to focus on combination. Yeah, so it's low life and high tech. So Judge Dredd was the first cyberpunk entertainment product in 1977. Neuromancer. I should read Neuromancer, man. I have it. I should read Neuromancer. Maybe I can give you my opinion on it. Ronin? I haven't seen this. I haven't heard about Ronin, so maybe this is also something I should take a look at. Oh, of course, Akira. I watched the movie. Blade Runner. This is a great movie. Max Headroom. Johnny Mnemonic. The Matrix. Of course, The Matrix. So, then we have newer media like Throne Legacy, Blade Runner, Ghost in the Shell, but is this a remake? Yeah, live action adaptation. Damn, is this Scarlett Johansson? Cool. Man, Cyberpunk Edge Runners is an amazing cartoon. I love it. I love it. We are already there with software hacking and IT. Hacking and cybersecurity are real global concerns. State-sponsored hackers, ransomware gangs, and corporate espionage are daily realities. Cybernetics and implants, prosthetics. So we have advanced prosthetic neural control. Still expensive, not mass market. Wow, advanced prosthetics. What the fuck? I didn't know about this. So we also have medical implants like pacemakers, deep brain stimulators for Parkinson's, Neuralink, which are brain-computer interfaces. Fuck. Robotics. So no nano machines. AI is already disrupting industries, creative work, warfare, and politics. Yeah, dystopia, almost there. Corporations versus government, almost there. Decay of middle class, already happening. We are halfway cyberpunk already. Yeah, we are. Wait. Cyber. Are there any good images of it? Cyberpunk. Is this real? Is this fucking real? Is this AI? Damn. Top this year. I love this. I love this. Amazing. Photos I took that felt like scenes from a movie. Are these real photos? Damn. Damn, they look nice. Drones indicating exit after our event in Osaka, Japan. Cool. Reality is always crazier than fiction. I don't remember any cyberpunk media quite predicting drug running cyber dogs. I think I did. I think I saw this somewhere, and I think someone is gonna correct the OP